Well, hello there, and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be sharing with you WordPress theme for car rental. Let's get started. Motors, car dealer, rental, and listing WordPress theme. Motors WordPress theme is a perfect theme for car dealer, auto dealer, automotive, electric car dealership, boat dealer WordPress, motorcycle dealership website, rent a car website, and any other automotive dealership business. You can build your unique classified listing website with Motors WordPress theme. Classified listing layout has several additional features like seller and dealer registration, car for sale submission, XML or CSV inventory import, dealer profile with user review, and much more. The inventory manager does all the hard work for you to make your listing irresistible to buyers, so they have no excuse not to make a purchase on your website. Building your car listing WordPress site is effortlessly with flexible, fast, and smart theme options. Easily make your website stand out from the crowd with hundreds of different options such as header and footer setting, typography, post type, page options, layout and colors, and much more. Boost your user experience by adding multiple filter and vehicle comparison tools, making it easy as possible for users to search listings and find exactly what they are seeking. With Motors, you can also be confident that your automotive WordPress theme is fully responsive for a perfect performance on all devices. As if that is enough, Motors Classified Listing WordPress theme has the best SEO practices built in. As a cutting-edge classified listing WordPress theme, Motors is expertly optimized for selling, buying, or leasing your vehicles online. Motors comes as the best choice for car dealership, car listing, electric car dealership, boat dealership, motorcycle dealership, among many others. Some of the key features of Motors WordPress theme include 18 exclusive demo layouts, Elementor page builder, WP Bakery page builder, RTL support, 5 pre-designed skin color, advanced inventory manager, and Rentacar per hour and the pricing calculator. You'll never go wrong when you're using Motors, car dealer, rental, and listing WordPress theme when you're developing your car rental website. Car Rental WordPress Theme landing page. Car Rental is a single fully responsive WordPress theme. This theme is perfect for people who are using online service to rent and book a car for their vacation or business purpose. It is designed with newsletter integration, working contact and checkout form, one-page navigation, font awesome icon font, Google Map, slider, vehicle preview, tab, and much more. The main reason to purchase car rental theme is because of the drag and drop visual builder with a powerful extension like SEO, analytics, and so on. It allows you to easily compose, edit, and change pages with minimum effort and WordPress knowledge. Some of the fancy features that make this car rental WordPress theme so unique is the drag and drop visual composer, one-click demo data import, cool extensions, unlimited colors, newsletter integration, Google Map, one-page navigation, and an image slider. Take a look at car rental WordPress theme landing page for your car rental business. Rent a car rental or listing WordPress theme. Want to create an incredible multi-concept car rental WordPress theme? Choose Rentacar WordPress theme for your website. Rentacar is permanently updated with reliable support and amazing features. Some of the fancy features that come with Rentacar WordPress theme include Redux Framework Theme Option panel, which has the general setting, unlimited settings, cider headers, contact setting, blog setting, shop setting, and many more. The theme also comes in with a one-click importer, 600 plus Google font icon instead of images, and it's well documented. The theme has unlimited sidebars which are fully customizable, making you navigate your website without a hassle. The theme has also advanced headers, Google Analytics that are built in, and the well documentation part that allows you to click and set up your website without any coding knowledge. If you're looking for a rental WordPress theme, the Rentacar, Car Rental and Listing WordPress theme will save your day. Efuel, electric car rental and EV charging WordPress theme. Efuel, car rental, EV charging station and car towing WordPress theme is especially created for car rental company, EV charging station, electric vehicle charging points, Tesla charging, tower cars, car evaluation, auto tow truck, rent car point, gas station, electric cars, and many others. Efuel includes all the necessary pages of the online store WooCommerce ready so that you can sell your premium fuel, charging points, charging station, gas, diesel, electric cars, tow trucks, and many other transport charging systems. This theme contains everything you need. Professional designs homepage with 20 plus unique shortcodes, galleries, blogs, testimonial, product catalog, and car catalogs. Also, the theme has a booking form for rental companies. This theme is compatible with a bundle of premium plugins, WP Bakery Page Builder. This plugin is easy to use with a drag and drop page builder option to help you create layouts that you've never imagined before, and no coding required. The awesome key features, which includes the SEO friendly, the Google font, the 20 plus custom elements, well documentation, logo, and favicon, which are included, are among some of the sassy features that are available on the eFuel WordPress theme. To take the most of your car rental business, then try out eFuel electronic car rental and EV charging WordPress theme. TanTum car, scooter, bolt, and bike rental service WordPress theme. TanTum, modern and stylish WordPress theme that is crafted for bike, scooter, rent yacht, kayaking, rafting, and boat rental services. It is good to make a website dedicated to city tours with bike sharing and car booking. The theme can also cover some sort of additional service like bike racing, fishing, sailing, celebration, cruise yacht, among others. Some of the features that come with the TanTum website theme includes the ready-made pages, including service, about, rent and gallery, advanced contact form, Instagram integration feeds, car rental system compatibility, and multiple pre-made shortcodes. The theme has compatibility with the most popular plugins. It is made with Elementor Page Builder as well as compatible with Essential Grid, MailChimp for WordPress, Contact Form 7, Redux add-ons, car rental system, strong testimonial, and the list goes on. TanTum, car, scooter, boat, and bike rental service WordPress theme will always come in handy when you're setting your rental car business. Well, thanks for being part of this nugget. And if you liked this video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.